We're Xplore Mindz, reaching for the sky. With science and passion, we're aiming high. Curiosity's the fire in our hearts. Innovation, that's where it all starts. Xplore Mindz, we're on a quest. Ideas flow and we're the best. Break the limits, take the lead. In every challenge we succeed.
Good day to all the judges and friends around the world. I'm Rohan, founder and educator of Xplore Mindz. We are from Malaysia. My team has 5 passionate 15 to 18 years old who are tired of seeing a perfectly good mangoes, bananas and vegetables rot on trucks every single day. In Malaysia alone, we waste more than 16,000 tons of food daily, enough to feed 12 million people 3 meals. That's why we created Fresh Box PODS, the world's first affordable, solar-powered, germ-zapping smart crate that keeps food fresh from farm to table. Today you will hear how we use real sand to fight food waste, save the planet and help farmers earn more money. Let me introduce the amazing Xplore Mindz squad. Researcher 1, Kavin Raj, the brain behind the scary fact. Script handling, Shinily. Designer, Steve Brinka, the genius who drew and built the box. Presenter 1, Hindran, our experiment master. Presenter 2, Srinesh, the SDG superstar. And I'm Rohan, their mentor. Ready? Let's go!
First, let's look at the shocking problem we discovered. Over to our researcher, hit us with the numbers.
Hi everyone, I'm Kavin Raj, the researcher of Xplore Mindz. Imagine this, every year the world uses enough food to feed 2 billion people, but it's all roots before it reaches the table.
Globally, 13 to 14% food is lost after harvest, and food waste creates more greenhouse gases than all the planes in the sky. Now zoom into Malaysia. We waste more than 16,000 tons of food every single day. That's like 40 jumbo jets full of food going straight to the rubbish dump. In our hot trucks, heat, germs and remaining gas spoil 20 to 30% of fruits and vegetables before they even reach the shop. That's money lost for farmers, higher prices for us, and the hotter planet because of methane from landfills.
Hi, I'm Priyanka, the designer of Xplore Mindz. This is Fresh Box PODS. Our super smart reusable cart that fights food waste on the road.
Look inside, a safe blue glow. We call it cold plasma. Absorbs 99% of germs and sucks away the ripening gas in just minutes. No chemicals, no smell, just clean air magic. Tiny sensors here check temperature and humidity. They only switch on the glow when needed, so it saves power. The lid has a solar strip and it charges from the truck's bumps, totally free energy. We made it from straw recycled plastic and it stacks perfectly in any lorry.
It's cheap, soft and lasts 8 years, perfect for Malaysian farmers. I'm proud of its design. Now, let's see the proof it really works. Over to Presenter 1.
Hello everyone, my name is Hindran. Presenter 1, the experiment guide. We didn't draw it. We built a prototype that Fresh Box PODS and tried it 3 times.
Experiment 1. Germ test. We put dry fruits inside normal box full of
brewed in 5 days, fresh box, 99% clean. Experiment 2. Freshness test. Bananas in normal creative truth, brown and soft in 5 days in fresh box. They stay yellow and firm for curve while they more than double the times. Experiment 3. Gas test. The double blue glow remove ripening gas so fast our fruit ripening 60% slower. We can cut food loss during transport for 25 to 30% down to only 6 to 8%. That's a massive 70% reduction. From farmers, sell more, shops get fresher fruits and less food goes to rubbish.
Thanks works. Over to next presenter, the big picture.
Hi everyone, I'm Fitness, the presenter 2. The big picture point. Fresh bulk pods don't just save foods. They help 5 United Nations goals.
SDG 2. Zero hunger. More fresh fruits reach families, especially the poor. SDG 7. Clean energy. Run only on free solar and truck vibration. SDG 9. Innovation. Cheap, smart kits made for small farmers. SDG 12. Responsible consumption cuts transport waste by over 60%. SDG 13. Climate action top 10 as save water and forests. It's made from recycled plastic, lasts 8 years and replace single-use wraps.
This is a Malaysia idea that can go global, helping farmers earn more, feeding more people and cooling our planet. We are so proud to bring this to global level. We are back to our amazing anchor to the final.
Judges and friends, that was Team Xplore Mindz from Malaysia in just under 5 minutes. We started with a shocking problem. Every day, Malaysia throws away enough food to feed 12 million people, and 20 to 30% of our beautiful mangoes and vegetables rot inside hot trucks. But we didn't stop at the problem. We built Fresh Box Pods, the world's first solar-powered, germ-zapping, super smart press that keeps food fresh using science and not chemicals. Our tests prove it. We cut transport waste by more than 70%, help 5 United Nations goals, and give small farmers the power to earn more and feed more families. This is not just a school project. This is a real Malaysian solution ready to travel from our farms to the world. Team Xplore Mindz thanks British International Education Association (BIEA) for this amazing chance to making a difference. We dream of standing on that London stage in July 2026 with a fresh box pods in our hands. Terima kasih, thank you, and let's reduce food waste together from fields to table.